Good evening, class.
Good evening, sir.
How are you today? Oh, thank you. Welcome to today's lesson. Allow me just to remind you, I'm Regan Kisise. Allow me to take the roll call before I start anything. May I see Josephine Tanui?
Present.
Okay. May I see Collins?
Present, sir.
May I also see Obed Nyatundo?
Present.
Bilton?
Present, sir.
Oh, thank you. So today we are going to discuss about solar installation as our topic as usual. Then, so we have solar installation. Then what we are going to do today is solar conversion processes. That is whatever we are going to do. Now, by the end of this lesson, I expect you to know what is meant by the term solar conversion. Are we together?
Yes.
Then number two, I also expect you to know the different methods of use of solar conversion. Then I also expect you to understand what are the different applications of solar energy. Now, just allow me to start by posting a question. What do we mean or what do you understand by the term solar conversion process? Yes? Yes, Collins?
According to my own perspective, solar conversion process is the process of converting sunlight into electricity.
Converting sunlight into electricity. Yes. Tanui.
It's a process of turning sunlight into electricity.
Process of turning sunlight into electricity. Yes. Any other person? Yes, Obed.
It's the process of turning solar into other energies like electricity, chemical.
So we have sunlight. From your discussion, from your points, we have sunlight. Then we have conversion. And then Obed has added something. Someone has talked of electrical. Then our friend Obed has also given us different forms of other power sources. Now, if we talk of solar conversion process, just as you've said, we have solar as the sunlight. That is the light from the sun. Conversion is just that process of transformation. Then into different, it might be electrical, it might be heat, it might be other forms. Now, up to that point, is there any question? Thank you. Now, allow me come to what we call different or the methods of solar conversion. What are the different methods of solar conversion? I want you to group yourself into two groups, and come up with at least 2 points or 1 point of solar conversion. You have been given a minute. Okay, thank you. Yes, Bilton.
Yes.
What have you discussed?
So in our group, we discuss various methods. First method, we're talking about the solar to
chemical.
So
Solar to chemical.
one solar
To chemical.
chemical energy. Yes, Josephine.
Yes.
Yes.
We discussed solar from solar to electrical.
Solar to electrical energy. Yes, Collins.
Another method is solar to heat energy.
Solar number 3. Solar to heat energy. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
if I say solar to thermal, is it the same as solar to heat?
Solar to thermal energy. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Bildon.
According to me, according to my understanding, when it's the word thermal means heat.
So thermal means heat. So he's saying we can use the same word. Yes. Any other suggestion? So we can say that we have solar to heat or solar to thermal energy. Now, what do we understand if somebody says that we have solar to chemical energy? Or what is that process? Let's think. Yes, class.
I think, according to me, I understand about solar, the conversion of solar to chemical is whereby the sunlight are being grasped by the solar panel and then going through some various processes and then it being stored in a battery in form of a chemical.
Thank you. Any other person? Any other person? Any other person? Yes. Yes, Nyatundo.
Let me try. I think solar to chemical, this is where, by the process of photosynthesis, we use the solar energy.
The process of
Photosynthesis uses the sun energy to make things like lactose, fructose, fructose.
thank you. Glucose, and many others. So if we talk of solar to chemical, this is just a process where green plants and other things like we have algae, we have we have green plants. That process whereby they make their own food. So it's just a conversion from solar energy into that other form. So we also have electrical, briefly, electrical, anybody? Now,
Okay. Let me try. This is the process which occurs through the use of concentrators, devices like concentrators.
Yes. Now, solar to electrical occurs through what we call the panels, like the solar panel that we use satellite devices. Silio. Now, what he said, we could store it in batteries. Then we have solar to heat energy. Whatever he has said, that is, we use the concentrators. Now, what do you think are some of the applications? Some of the applications? Yes.
Solar to electrical, I can say one of the applications is in factories. It's used in factories.
Used in factories. Another person?
Solar to chemical, actually, application is for preparation of maybe food because the chemicals stored in the water are being used to prepare food.
Thank you.
Another application we can talk about the used in pumping water.
Pumping water. Okay. Now allow me ask if there is any question before we come to the end of our lesson. If there is any question. If there is no question, then write this assignment down. You go and do your present. Draw a solar panel. Draw 2 solar panels. Draw 2 solar panels connected in series. Because there is no question, allow me leave and meet you in the next class.